Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are diving into the world of blended learning, a powerful approach that combines the best of traditional and online education. In the 21st century, blended learning is a successful educational approach due to its flexibility and personalization. Research shows that access of diverse resources like interactive modules and multimedia caters to different learning preferences. Additionally, blended learning enhances student engagement through technology that appeals to digital natives, leading to improved academic outcomes. So, what exactly is blended learning? In simple words, it's integrating online education materials and place-based classroom methods. This usually means you and your students are physically present in the classroom, but students also have some control over when, how, and where they access learning materials through online systems. Think of it as a flexible approach that can include everything from online lectures and webinars, where you and your students might be in the same virtual space, to students working through online modules at their own pace with in-person support. The beauty of blended learning is its versatility. There are many models you can explore. For example, in station rotation, students rotate through different learning stations in the classroom, which could include a teacher-led station, independent practice, collaboration, and tech station for online learning and assessment. This is great for accommodating different learning needs. Another popular model is the flipped classroom, where students learn new content at home through videos or readings, and class time is used for discussion and activities to solidify understanding. For more flexibility, flex blended learning is an online heavy model with educators available for support when needed. There is also mastery-based blended learning, where a student must demonstrate mastery of a topic before moving on, often using both online and face-to-face teaching. Why is blended learning so effective? Well, for starters, it transitions well with traditional models. Students still have access to your guidance in person, but the online components allow for more self-study and learning at their own pace. This can significantly benefit various learning styles. Blended learning also promotes easy engagement. Students can work with materials in the way that suits them best, which is especially helpful for those who are easily distracted or have learning differences. Furthermore, it can improve accessibility for students with disabilities through features like text readers and transcripts. Even things like online calendars for test notification can ensure everyone is well prepared. To make blended learning work best for you and your students, keep a few key practices in mind. Focus on creating consistent learning experience by simplifying the number of platforms you use. This reduces confusion and makes it easier to manage your course materials. It is also crucial to allow class time for students to adjust to blended learning. Take the time to teach them how to use the online tools and answer their questions upfront. Finally, remember that easy collaboration is vital. Choose tools that facilitate both students to student and teacher to teacher collaboration on learning materials and projects. A compelling example of blended learning for A-level students can be found in the school that utilizes project-based learning combined with online resources. In this scenario, students studying A-level geography might be tasked with a project on climate change. They would begin by accessing a variety of online resources such as documentaries, research articles, and interactive simulations to gather information and understand the topic. This blended approach not only allows students to learn independently at their own pace, but also fosters teamwork and enhances their communication skills through in-person collaboration. In conclusion, blended learning offers a dynamic and effective way to enhance your teaching and empower your students. By understanding the different models, recognizing the benefits, and implementing best practices, you can create a richer and more engaging learning environment.
So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.